Drilling into drywall without knowing what's behind it is how shelves fall off walls and how you accidentally hit a wire. In 2026, a good stud finder removes the guesswork entirely. I tested 5 of the best so your next home project goes smoothly the first time. Let's get into it. New to TechBee, we cover the tools and tech that actually make home projects easier. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and your next project will thank you for sticking around. The original StudBuddy is the simplest, most foolproof stud finder on this list. And there's genuine appeal in a tool with 0 batteries, 0 electronics, and 0 things that can break. This magnetic stud finder uses powerful rare earth magnets to detect the metal screws and nails holding drywall to studs, simply sliding along the wall until it's pulled toward a fastener. The compact, pocket-sized design makes it genuinely easy to carry and use anywhere without setup or calibration. Because there's no battery to die or electronics to malfunction, the StudBuddy works reliably indefinitely, making it a genuinely permanent addition to any toolbox. The strong magnetic pull is easy to feel, giving clear, unambiguous feedback compared to interpreting beeps or LED patterns on electronic alternatives. Accuracy is genuinely excellent once you locate a fastener, since you're detecting the actual screw rather than estimating stud edges. For minimalists, budget-conscious DIYers, or anyone who wants a tool that will never fail due to dead batteries or electronic malfunction, the StudBuddy is the most foolproof, longest-lasting pick on this entire list. The StudBuddy never needs batteries and never lets you down. And the price in the description makes it the easiest toolbox addition you'll make. Check the link below and grab it today. Simple, reliable, genuinely permanent. The CRAFTSMAN Stud Finder is the reliable, no-nonsense tool that brings a trusted name in tools into your home improvement toolkit. Scanning up to 3/4 inch depth, it accurately detects wood and metal studs behind drywall, giving you confidence before drilling or mounting anything substantial. The simple, intuitive interface uses clear LED indicators and audible beeps to signal stud edges, making it genuinely easy to use even for first-time DIYers. The ergonomic grip fits comfortably in hand, and the compact size makes it easy to store in a toolbox without taking up much space. Auto-calibration when powered on ensures accurate readings from the very first scan, removing the guesswork that plagues cheaper, uncalibrated stud finders. Battery life comfortably covers multiple projects before needing replacement, and the durable plastic housing withstands regular toolbox use and occasional drops. For homeowners and DIYers who want a dependable, easy-to-use stud finder from a trusted brand without overcomplicating the process, the CRAFTSMAN Stud Finder is a genuinely solid, reliable choice on this entire list. The CRAFTSMAN Stud Finder takes the guesswork out of every wall project, and the price in the description makes it an easy toolbox addition. Check the link below and grab it today. Know what's behind the wall, every time. The DEWALT Stud Finder carries the reputation of one of the most trusted names in professional tools, and that engineering pedigree shows clearly in everyday performance. Accurate stud detection works through drywall and other common wall materials, identifying wood and metal studs with genuine consistency across multiple scans. The bright LED display and clear audible signals make stud edges easy to identify even in low-light work environments. DEWALT's ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand during extended scanning sessions across larger walls or multiple rooms. The durable, impact-resistant housing reflects DEWALT's reputation for tools built to survive job site conditions, not just careful home use. Auto-calibration ensures accuracy from the first scan without manual adjustment, and the compact form factor stores easily alongside other hand tools. Battery life comfortably handles extended project sessions without needing frequent replacement. For contractors, serious DIYers, and homeowners who want professional-grade reliability backed by a trusted tool brand, the DEWALT Stud Finder is one of the most dependable choices on this entire list. The DEWALT Stud Finder brings professional-grade reliability to your toolbox, and the price in the description makes that trusted engineering accessible. Check the link below and grab it today. Built by a name contractors trust? This 5-in-1 stud finder wall scanner is the most feature-packed tool on this list, combining stud detection with metal detection, live AC wire detection, and depth scanning in a single device. Beyond simply finding studs, this scanner identifies live electrical wiring behind walls, a genuinely critical safety feature that prevents accidentally drilling into wiring and causing serious damage or injury. The large LCD display shows clear readings and detection mode, removing ambiguity about what exactly you're detecting at any moment. Multiple detection depths accommodate different wall thicknesses and materials, from standard drywall to thicker plaster walls. The auto-calibration feature ensures accuracy across different scanning sessions without manual setup each time. Audible alerts and visual LED indicators work together to clearly signal detections, even for users new to using stud finders. Compact and lightweight, it stores easily in a toolbox or drawer without taking significant space. For anyone who wants comprehensive wall scanning capability, studs, metal, and live wiring all in one device, This 5-in-1 scanner is the most thorough, most safety-conscious choice on this entire list. This 5-in-1 scanner finds studs, metal, and live wires before you ever pick up a drill. And the price in the description makes that safety genuinely affordable. Check the link below and grab it today. Know everything behind the wall. Closing out the list with the Zircon StudSensor A100 Edge, a name that's become genuinely synonymous with stud finding technology across decades of trusted use. Zircon's patented edge detection technology identifies the exact edges of studs with a level of precision that has made their products an industry benchmark. The simple single-button operation makes it genuinely accessible for beginners while still delivering the accuracy serious DIYers expect. Spotlight pointing technology projects a visual indicator directly onto the wall at the exact stud edge location, removing any ambiguity about exactly where to mark or drill. The compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, and the durable construction withstands regular toolbox use in job site conditions. Auto-calibration ensures consistent accuracy across multiple scans without manual adjustment between uses. Battery life comfortably covers extended project sessions, and Zircon's reputation for reliability backs the build quality throughout. For users who want the most established, most trusted stud finding technology with genuinely precise edge detection, the Zircon StudSensor A100 Edge is the benchmark choice on this entire list. The Zircon StudSensor A100 Edge delivers the precision that's made Zircon the industry standard, and the price in the description makes that trusted accuracy worth it. Check the link below and grab it today. Pinpoint, precision, every scan. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right stud finder for your next project, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because tool deals move fast. If this helped you find the right stud finder, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tool and tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.